Namaste. In this video, we will learn to derive values of all trigonometric ratios at 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 45 degrees geometrically. First, values of trigonometric ratios at 30 degrees and 60 degrees. For this, take an equilateral triangle where all angles are 60 degree and all sides equal to A. Drop a perpendicular from a vertex to its opposite side. As this is an equilateral triangle, this altitude will be median as well as angle bisector. So the side is divided into two equal parts, each A by 2 and equal angle to 30 degrees. Now what is the length of this altitude? With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of h. So h is equals to root 3a upon 2. Now taking 30 degrees as an acute angle, sine 30 degree, which is the ratio of opposite side to 30 degrees and hypotenuse, it will be 1 upon 2. Next, cos 30 degree, which is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Taking values from triangle and simplifying, we get root 3 upon 2. And then tan 30 degree will be 1 upon root 3. For remaining three ratios, which are reciprocal of these three values, we get cosec 30 as 2, sec 30 degree as 2 upon root 3 and cot 30 degree as root 3. In similar way, instead of 30 degrees, considering 60 degrees acute angle, we can find all the trigonometric ratios at 60 degrees. So these are the values for all trigonometric ratios at 60 degree. Now the values of all these ratios at 45 degrees. For this, take an isosceles right angled triangle where two sides forming 90 degrees are equal to A and each acute angle is 45 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse, we get hypotenuse is equals to root 2a. Now taking any one of this 45 degree angle, sine 45 degrees, which is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, will give the value 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 degrees, which is adjacent upon hypotenuse, will also be equal to 1 upon root 2, and tan 45 degree, which is opposite side upon adjacent side, will be equal to 1. The other three ratios, which are reciprocals, are obtained as cosec 45 degree is root 2, sec 45 degree is also root 2, and cot 45 degree is equals to 1. Now you must have noticed one thing, that all these values are independent of sides of triangle. That means that these are constant values. I hope you enjoyed this learning. Thank you.